Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to use text to speech in Capcut. So to do that, let's head over to our Capcut application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to any project that you have already started, or you can start a new project. So once you're there, just select on the timeline in which place you want your text to audio. So I want it in here. So what I will do is there is an audio option on the lower left corner. And here you will find the option of text to audio. Just tap on it. And in here you have to enter your text. And my text is rainy day. Rainy day. And I'll tap on done. And here I can select any one of the people voice I want it with. So I'm using this one.
Rainy day.
And then tapping on next. And once I just tap on the play button,
Rainy day.
as you can hear, it is currently going on. So yeah, this is how you can just add text to speech on CapCut. Hope this video helps, and we will see you in the next video.